Welcome back to BPS Detailing. So we've got this old El Camino here. It's been recently restored, so it's got a newer paint job on it that needs quite a bit of work. So I'm gonna have to do a full, decontamination and polish job on the whole thing. As you can see down below, it still needs some leveling to be done with some sanding, stuff like that. It's got some overspray and some sections that needs to be addressed. Other than that, it's pretty dirty. All the chrome needs to be polished. Tires need to be cleaned. The interior actually looks pretty good. It's pretty much brand new inside. So in here it just needs a little bit of spiffing up done. It's in pretty nice shape. New panels, pretty much everything's new in there. So yeah, that won't be too bad. The glass has got some funky overspray stuff going on it, so that's going to be a task to try to get all that stuff off. I'm not even sure what it is. I don't know if it's like primer or adhesive or what. And then there's also this overspray on these rubber seals that I'll need to get off of there. And then there's some more on the back here. This thing's got like a bed liner, Gore-Tex stuff, and you can see there's a bunch of paint. But yeah, it's pretty neat, El Camino. Some more of that messed up stuff on the glass. And then see more of the overspray we got to take care of. It's in all these little nooks and crannies. And there's some white there. I don't know what the heck that is. So yeah, getting all the stuff out of the nooks and crannies is going to take a little while. And doing the sanding to get the paint level is going to take a while. And then after that, got to do the whole polish and seal. And then I'm just going to put some good coatings on all the glass and everything. Just get it back to its former glory. So yeah, this should be a pretty fun project. Right now, I'm just going to get the thing washed and get it inside the garage. And then I'll shoot another video when I get started on the paint correction. So yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.